Culture at Crown is one of family.
It's a positive work environment, somewhere that you can always grow.
It's just an all-around fun place to work. When you come into Crown, it's kind of different every day.
There's always something new popping up that you can learn or experience.
You have a team culture.
Amazing training on some of the world's best equipment.
They coach you, they mentor you. They don't leave you on your own if you need help.
There's always somebody that can help or point you in the right direction.
Came to Crown so that I could have a work-life balance without actually having to work nights and weekends and actually get to spend time with my family.
Good wages, lots of benefits, lots of room for expansion and growth.
Crown offers amazing upward mobility opportunities.
I started as a service tech. I moved up to a lead tech, and now I'm with InfoLink User Support.
Crown has offered me an opportunity to advance from being a field service technician to being a field service manager. I'm actually taking the opportunity to step into a new role to become a regional recruiter.
Before coming to Crown, I was a product auditor.
I was attending night classes and working at an automotive dealership. My experience with Crown has been evolutionary.
I always have to say amazing.
Exciting and changing.